You can also draw something like this, different kinds of hairstyles. You want to learn how to draw this? Just keep watching this video, and without further talking, let's get into the video. So welcome back to my YouTube channel. Really happy to meet you all again through this channel. So today we'll learn about different hairstyles. Okay, so this particular tutorial need not to be definitely with the software, the Procreate app or the iPad or tablets or anything you call. Even a paper and pencil is fine. Right now I'm using this, but feel free to use. So even if you see, I'm using the 6B pencil for this particular tutorial. I practiced it this way, so I hope so this should help you also. So basically I'm going to first start with the shape of the face. So you might have seen it in multiple YouTube channels, the oval shape. So one. So normally, half of this is where the eyes, and half of this is where the nose, and then between this you draw two lines which is almost center. So this will be the lips and this will be the chin. Okay, this is how it is. So I'm not getting into this basics, already there is a video about it. I'm not getting to that. I'm looking into I'm going to teach about the different hairstyles. Maybe I'll try to teach whatever I know at this point of time, or whatever I could complete in a limited time. So I'm going to keep this in the background. So I'm going to create one more layer. So people who are using paper and pencil, you can draw this lightly and then you can draw on it. Or the other option is you can draw it on a paper very darkly and then keep a paper on top of it. So in background you can see this like a template or kind of a traceable, so you can use it as a reference. It's good to always use a reference. Artist, you can ask anybody. Keeping a reference is always good. You don't have to completely start from scratch completely from the air, so having a reference is always good. So this I'm going to keep it little light. Okay, and then let's get into this. So I'm going to talk about only the different type of hairstyles today. So the first one, let me just draw the basic of the shape and then we'll go into that. So normally this is where the ears, right? So I'll quickly start a ear here. Okay, and then the bottom face, sorry. And now, so here we'll start with the hair. The first hairstyle I would say, I would start as probably, well, basically every boys used to have it. So it's all gentle strokes. Remember, you have a on the background the boundary, the template kind of thing, which you can use it for reference. So I'm dividing this side as one type of hair and this side as one type of hair. Again, you as an artist or who wanted to become an artist, it is up to you to use your creativity to bring whatever styles you want. So this again, bring a shape here, and here also again a shape here. This could be one shape, and then start giving strokes of the hairlines. So you can normally give it like the shape of the hair here. Again, this is your own creativity, but don't forget to maintain as much as possible the shape of the hairs you are given as a boundary there. So that should help define it still more better. So here will be keeping it long is really good because most of the boys have it like this. Consider hairstyles influence a person's looks to a very large extent and give distinctive character to the face. So how you give the hairstyles, or how even you are maintaining a hairstyle, that gives the a character to what you maintain there in your hairstyles. And clean combed hair, oiled hair. Yeah, that gives a different look. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to add a color there, okay, for this particular face. Basically I'll just give a little gray color, not complete black. I'll take this gray, little darker one, just to distinguish and show you. So I'm going to use a different pencil here, Artist Script. Okay, so people who are using paper and pencil, maybe you can use color pencils or crayons. So I'm going to drop this color here. So this gives a particular hairstyle here. Okay, let's do one more now. So I've grouped this, and now I'm going to move this to a corner. Okay, let's start one more. So I'm going to change this to 6B pencil. Again, the same shape here. Okay. Oh, no, gray color. Okay. At times I forget to change the colors. Okay, so we'll take a different hairstyle now. Maybe we'll take it from the center this time. Okay. So almost this place, kind of for everybody, it looks the same. And then the lines try to follow this pattern here. Again, use your creativity to draw these lines. Okay, if you make it wrong, it's okay, completely okay. Try it again, because when it comes to artist, it's only more you practice is what the output will be good. Every day you practice, every day commit to spend some good time, the output will be definitely best. So I have taken 365 days of art challenge, and right now today it's 206 arts. 206 arts has been done, and every time I draw different faces, I learned different curves, different anatomies. Okay, so this is like whatever I'm teaching here is like basic, very basic, how to start with the shapes of hairstyles. Okay, this one. So let me go ahead and color for this also a little darker. Now I'll give a different color hair. But keep practicing different hairs, different hairstyles. You can take references, as I mentioned earlier. Don't stop to take references. See the different celebrities, your friends, your family members, how their hairstyles are, and then try to draw some of them. That's how you will learn different hairstyles. So I'm going to again group this together, and I'm going to move this again. So we'll try one more hairstyle. Okay. So people who are viewing this video for the first time or already start enjoying viewing my videos from the previous ones, if you come to this stage, I think you are liking my videos, so do subscribe, switch on the bell icon. If you want to reach me directly, you can reach me through Instagram. We'll start one more hairstyle now. Okay, so it's again a 6B pencil. Even this you can keep it as a one reference and you can draw it. It's completely okay to draw it like this. So next take another hairstyle now. This is another hairstyle. Give another hair color here. I would go for a blue and then a lighter blue. If any of these hairstyles which you see resemble to any of your friends or somebody, do feel free to add that in the comment section. I would love to see that. If they have an Instagram account, do tag that as well, so I know I can check their account and see is that hairstyle really matching and how they really look. Okay, let's try old man hairstyle. Okay, so mostly old men will have only hairs on the sides, right? So I'm just trying to draw that alone. This is what something coming in my mind, so I'm drawing it this way. So it need not be exactly you have to draw the same way. You want to try something different, go ahead and try. You drew it, you tried it, you want to show me, you can post it in Instagram, tag me as well so I can see it, or I have Facebook page as well, Partha Art, so you can as well see from, you can tag me there. Plain one. Okay, old people will have little light color, so I don't call it as white hairs, it's silver hairs. Okay, we'll try one more for today. Maybe we'll try curly hairs this time. So typically wavy lines is what it is. So don't forget to use the background template. That helps to decide where you have to start the hair. So then comes the outer side shapes. I'm trying to keep this drawing as simple as possible. Somebody who can also draw it through pencil, need not to worry that they need this digital equipment in their hand right now. So use your pencil, just feel free to give it creative strokes, whichever shape that it comes, and then you can draw it like this. You can give a curve like this, and group of hairs falling like this in between. It all depends on what you want to do, no? Okay, so let's give this guy little lighter color. You can also add some more color on top of it, like you want to give some styles, go ahead and give a style here and give some different strokey kind of a style. You can give that way. Okay, so I'm going to group this together. Okay, I think I'll draw one more so it becomes like equal 3 and 3. Okay, I will definitely add one more tutorial for the women's hair. Right now I'm covering all the men's hairstyles here. Okay, see how useful this template is. All I have to do is just use these lines to draw the ears correctly, and then the chin part. It helps a lot. Okay, a similar kind of this digital art here. I can flip this over, see if I can just flip this. I get this hairstyle immediately. But if it's paper or pencil, then you can draw it the other way. Instead of this way, you can draw the other way. That's how it is. Okay, so next what we'll draw is maybe big hairs. I personally like curly hairs a lot, but I don't have curly hairs. I have straight hairs. If somebody here who are watching this have a curly hairs, to send your comment, or you have it in Instagram, to tag me. I would love to see your curly hairs. I normally sometimes I like somebody seeing. I used to save that image and then I later try to draw them. I ask the permission before I draw. I just don't draw it just like that because I respect their privacy. So if they're okay, then I draw them. That's how it is. Some people directly request me, so I request them to share 2 or 3 pictures, and in that picture is the best to draw, and the outcome also, which will be really nice. I draw that. I do post it, so you can check my Instagram. So far, I think somewhere around 120 people I've drawn, like my own followers, all new faces. So here I first gave one texture of like one direction of strokes, and then I'm trying to mix it up. Since it's curly hairs, curly hairs, you don't have a particular pattern, it's all curly, twisted everywhere. So I'm just trying to mix it up. So maybe in one of my next videos, I will try to add more videos which is more advanced. How to draw the hairs in details, either the digital version or the traditional paper pencil or the watercolor methods. I'm a self-taught artist. As I draw every week I try to take a different styles, learn from them, and then I draw it. That's what I do. So let's give this guy a hair color here. Okay, so I think we learned today 6 types of hairstyles. Do let me know in your comment section if this is useful. If not useful, leave your comment. You want to try, you wanted to show me something and ask me to know how you want to draw this, do tag me in Instagram or Facebook and show me that, so I can even teach you how to draw that particularly. And apart from that, I think I'm done with the video. Thanks once again for watching. Do leave your comment or like, share it to your friends if you have a similar kind of artist who want to learn new skills. Maybe next video I'll try to add the female hairstyles, different type of female hairstyles, how to draw them. All right, see you guys, bye.